some temperatures, Jim.
Hi guys, what's up? It's me. Today I'm gonna buy a printer. Cutter. My first cutter, because I was deciding to buy one in Shopee last night. It was cheaper in Shopee, but can you imagine the shipping with J&T? Also, I saw the plastic ones there, but if I'm gonna do this for the long run, I'm kind of hesitant to buy the plastic ones. And also, since I like doing notepads, my camera keeps going down. Since I like doing like notepads kind of items, it would be kind of weird to use the plastic one because you would have to do it one by one. With the cutter that I'm buying, it's gonna be the slice thingy, so that means you can do like multiple items at the same time. I've been wanting to buy this one for months, so I'm so happy that I could actually buy it now. So let's go! Nakaligo na talaga ako. Today we will do an unboxing kasi andito na yung di-pick up ko na. It's huge, or I guess the box is huge. Asian basurahan. Polaris na brand. Okay, so this cost me 480 pesos. I know it's cheaper in Shopee, but you're gonna have to pay for shipping anyway, so it's the same thing. So this is A4 or bigger, I guess. 10 by 12 inches. This is an A4 steel base. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna move the camera. Can you see? Metal base. It's this one. Let's see what we got here. Sa Shopee, this is 300 plus pesos, I think. So excited. I'm gonna show you how to try it out as well. So yun lang laman ng box. I'm just gonna inspect it if it's good. So hollow lang siya sa likod. It has rubber, what do you call this? Rubber feet stands. Ayan. And you can adjust this. It has a screw sa gilid. You can adjust it. I'm sure na nakita nyo na to, pero I guess you wanna see if it actually works. Pero, how do you open this? Oh, it has a lock. It has a lock here. How do you open it then? Okay. You just push it and there it is. It's open. Yay. So now we will try it, okay, to see if it actually works. So can I just... Ooh! Is it straight? Wow! Dapat medyo slant talaga siya. This is the bookmark that I just made. So, medyo hindi siya super straight. I think you need to move it a bit. So yeah, the cut is clean. That's my only issue. It's that it's not super straight. Or maybe it's just my item. It's the only one here in Davao, so I can't really be choosy right now. It's super clean now. This is the bookmark. This is my original bookmark. Can we try multiple papers? So this is for na 250 GSM each. So this is a total of 1,000 GSM. Okay. Well. Ew. I guess I'm not strong enough for that. 50 is good. 75. Medyo struggle. Okay. Let's try paper. Ooh. it's nice. Okay, I don't really have much to say anyway, so my only question is if the blade wears out, what happens then? Do I just scrape it or something? Can't really cut thick stuff outside. I bought this so I can cut many papers at once, and it can't even do that. If it cuts evenly, it cuts straight naman. Bakit kanina hindi? Pero at least we proved that it cuts straight. Okay. Awesome. That's it for this unboxing. Bye. So guys, this is currently my setup. This is the cutter that I just bought, that you just saw earlier. I need a place for this, so I have this desk inside my room that I'm probably just gonna put here. This cabinet is from Mandawi Foam, and it is, I think, 400 plus pesos from 600 plus. It was discounted. So now the cutter is here, the books are down there, we have our ZZ plant here, my plants, my pen area, words, documents, and this is gonna be my study area. So there you go. New study place. It's nice to have like bright light. Yeah, there you go. Ta-da! So that was probably it for the video. I think the cutter is good for the price. The other cutters with this shape is like 1,000 pesos plus. So definitely this is good. I'm not complaining at all. Also, I think the new space is really nice. My dream lately has been about having plants all over me. So this is really a nice setup for me. I'm so grateful, so thankful to have a place like this. Hopefully I can take the exam and pass this January. But thanks for watching, guys. Bye!